Hello students. Today in this video we are going to discuss few topics of circle which students find it confusing. Before I start, my name is Santanu Das and I have been teaching from the last 27 years. So let's begin with the topic circle. So in circle I want to touch on two important topics, that is inscribed angle theorem. Inscribed angle theorem. So what is this inscribed angle theorem? So if I have a circle and I draw an inscribed angle in it, say ABC, and this is the intercepted arc. Inscribed angle is one which has its vertex on the circle, and the part which it cuts is called its intercepted arc. Then the measure of that angle ABC is equal to half of the measure of the intercepted arc. So when sums are given, one of the things is given, either they give you the inscribed angle and they ask you to find out the intercepted arc, or they give you the intercepted arc and they ask you to find out the inscribed angle. So it's very simple to calculate. Same way, there's another theorem, that is the tangent secant theorem. Tangent secant theorem. So in the case of tangent secant theorem, there's a tangent. Let us write it as this point as A, B. This is the tangent and this is a secant. So let's consider this point C, so that this part is the intercepted arc which cuts the tangent and the secant. Then this angle will be measure angle BAC, measure angle BAC will be equal to half of measure arc AXC. Now look into this diagram carefully. What you find is that just for the simplicity of this sum, what I have done is I have considered the intercepted arc as AXC. So in both the examples, in case of inscribed angle, this angle is half of the intercepted arc, and in case of tangent secant theorem, this angle is half of the intercepted arc. Now if I join both these diagrams, what will I get? I'm going to get something like this. That is, let's draw the inscribed angle A, B, C, and this is our intercepted arc, and let's draw the tangent over here. So now look into this diagram carefully. So this angle, inscribed angle, is also half of the intercepted arc, and this angle is also half of the intercepted arc. So we can say measure angle ABC is half of measure arc AXC, inscribed angle theorem, and measure angle AC, suppose D, is half of measure arc AXC. As both the angles are intercepting the same arc, so what we can say is therefore measure angle ABC will be equal to measure angle ACD. So mostly in the proofs, this kind of question is given. So you should be able to understand how to consider the arcs. And the reason we can write it as angles present in alternate segment. Alternate segments. So this is one of the concepts that I wanted to speak about. There's another concept which is very common in the exams, and students don't do the sums properly because they don't know the property. So about the lens, when secants intersect in the interior, secants intersect in the exterior, and when there's a tangent and a secant. So let's give them name A, B, C, D, X, A, B, C, D, E, and let's give this name A, P, B, C, suppose. Write it outside C. So when the secants AB and CD intersect in the interior at point X, then the property is AX into BX will be equal to CX into DX. Now in this, any three of the values lengths will be given and you have to find out the fourth value. In the case of the second example, the second type of sum, the secant AB, secants AB and AC intersect. Now they are intersecting at the exterior. As it's outside the circle, exterior point, at the exterior point A of the circle, then the formula would be AD into AB will be equal to AE into AC. Again, in this example, any three of the values will be given and the fourth value you have to find by simple algebraic method, algebra. The last type of sum, which is the most important because in the exams this type of question is asked, tangent AP intersect secant AB in the exterior of the circle at point A. Then the property is AP square, that is the tangent square, will be equal to AC into AB. Now to understand what I have written, let's take an example. So say AC is 9 and CB is 7. The diagram is not proportionate, but the intention is just to explain you an example. So let's do it. Let's do the sum. So AC we know it. Yes, we know. AB, no, we don't know it. First we need to calculate AB, and the question is find AP. To find AP, first we need to find out AB. Now as you can see from the figure, AB will be equal to AC plus CB. Now AC is 9 and CB is 7, so it's going to be 16. So we are going to use the formula AP square is equal to AC into AB into 16, that is 144. Therefore AP would be equal to root of 144, that is 12 units. So this is how you have to solve the sum. These are two important concepts which students find it difficult, so I have explained. If you have more doubts, more concepts needing explanation, just type it on the comment section and I'll try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching the video.